Smooth and consistent protein drinks depend heavily on the right blending power, and smart design choices today matter most. Best Blender for Protein Shakes delivers powerful performance for smooth texture, quick mixing, and reliable daily use in home or travel routines. It supports whey, plant-based, and mass gainer shakes while maintaining smooth consistency without clumps or uneven blending results for better nutrition absorption and everyday fitness goals with ease and efficiency, making daily shakes simple and effective for everyone users. And product link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Conchiat CB08 Blender. The Conchiat CB08 blender is a versatile personal blender designed for users who want strong performance and convenient everyday blending. Powered by a robust 900-watt full copper motor capable of reaching speeds up to 25,000 RPM, it easily handles protein shakes, smoothies, frozen fruit drinks, and crushed ice recipes. One of its standout features is the unique asymmetric stainless steel blade system, which blends from multiple angles to improve ingredient circulation and achieve smoother results. The specially designed turbulent structure inside the cup helps pull ingredients toward the blades, ensuring more even blending and better extraction of nutrients. Operation is simple thanks to the hands-free automatic blending system that activates when the cup is properly locked into place. Safety micro switches add an extra layer of protection during use. Number 4. NutriBullet 600-Watt Blender. The NutriBullet 600-Watt Blender remains one of the most popular personal blenders thanks to its simplicity, reliability, and effective nutrient extraction capabilities. Featuring a 600-watt motor, it provides enough power to blend fruits, vegetables, liquids, and soft frozen ingredients into smooth, drinkable shakes and smoothies. Its straightforward push, twist, and blend operation makes it especially appealing for beginners and those who prefer uncomplicated kitchen appliances. Whether preparing a quick breakfast smoothie, post-workout protein shake, or healthy snack, the NutriBullet delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Its compact footprint allows it to fit easily on most countertops without occupying excessive space. The included 24-ounce cup is ideal for single servings and doubles as a portable container for on-the-go use. Number 3. Ninja 20-ounce Blender. The Ninja 20-ounce blender is designed for users who need powerful blending performance in a compact and travel-friendly package. Equipped with a 900 peak watt motor, this blender delivers impressive power for crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, and creating smooth protein shakes with ease. The included Pro Extractor Blades assembly is engineered to break down tough ingredients efficiently, helping unlock nutrients from fruits and vegetables while producing a smooth consistency. The manual push-to-blend system provides complete control over blending intensity, making it easy to achieve the desired texture for smoothies, shakes, or frozen beverages. Despite its compact size, the blender handles demanding ingredients effectively and consistently. Number 2. Ninja BN401 Blender. The Ninja BN401 blender is a premium personal blender that combines high power with smart blending technology for exceptional results. Its 1100 peak watt motor easily pulverizes ice, frozen fruits, and dense ingredients, creating smooth shakes, smoothies, sauces, and frozen drinks within seconds. A standout feature is the Auto IQ technology, which uses intelligent preset programs that automatically adjust blending and pulsing patterns to eliminate guesswork. This makes preparing drinks quick and convenient, even for users with little blending experience. The included 24-ounce single-serve cup supports convenient blending and portability, allowing users to take beverages directly to work, school, or the gym. Its compact design ensures it fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops while still delivering professional-level performance. Number 1. Ninja 700-Watt Blender. The Ninja 700-Watt Blender is a compact personal blender designed to provide reliable blending performance for everyday shakes, smoothies, and frozen beverages. Powered by a 700-watt motor with Ninja's Pulse technology, it delivers sufficient strength to process fruits, vegetables, ice, and protein powder efficiently. Its nutrient extraction capability helps break down ingredients thoroughly, allowing users to enjoy smoother drinks while accessing more vitamins and nutrients from whole foods. The blender performs particularly well for protein shakes and single-serving smoothies, making it a practical option for busy mornings or post-workout refreshments. The compact design requires minimal counter space and is easy to store when not in use. Users can blend directly in the included 16-ounce cup and attach the spout lid for immediate portability, eliminating the need for extra containers. Final verdict. All 5 blenders are capable of making protein shakes, but a couple of models stand out for their combination of power, convenience, and overall value. If you want the best balance of performance and everyday usability, these are the top picks from the list. Ninja 700-watt blender is a great choice for users who want a compact, affordable blender for daily protein shakes and smoothies. It offers reliable blending performance, easy portability, and a simple push-to-blend design that fits perfectly into a busy routine. Ninja BN401 blender takes the top spot thanks to its powerful 1100-watt motor, Auto IQ programs, superior nutrient extraction, and ability to handle tough ingredients effortlessly. It delivers the smoothest shakes and the most versatile performance overall. Check the link at the description for current details and other options.